The first question, is your website working for you or it is sleeping? How many of you have a website? How many times do you visit your website in a day? 6. It doesn't take leave. Sir, today I am not well. It will never say. Today my stomach is aching, my head is aching, I will not come to the office. It will not say. It will not ask you, give me salary, sir, at the end of the month. No consultation fees. It will create automatic enquiry collection. If you have form, right positioning, it will automatically, and unlimited customer you can get here. It is not like customer. So while you sleep, your website can sell. As they say that, Warren Buffett's quote here, as you sleep, money is growing here. While you sleep, website can sell your products. So now this is just traditional office and digital presence. Now what happens is when we have an office, if some customer is coming to your office, what do you do? If customer says that I will come to your office, what will you do?
Give the location.
Give the location, then timings, then you clean up your office. You give a good interiors, night lights, good everything clean, so that they feel good. Why not to the website? It is 24/7. Without notice, people will barge in. Without notice. So that's what I'm talking about. 10 to 6 p.m. on offline office, but website is 24/7. Reach is limited location. It is global reach. Cost high overheads, offline office. But here, cost effective. Visitors walk in only. There it is, unlimited customers website. Enquiries, manual enquiries only. If you have a physical office, only manual enquiries. Website, automated leads. So your office builds presence, your website build scale. So that is what we are talking about. Now, having website, yes, I have a website. But how many of them know about it? For that you need a digital marketing. So website plus digital marketing, it becomes a growth engine. So that is what we want to give. That is the growth engine what we are talking about here. That is SEO, Google ranking, social media is for visibility, paid ads for predictable leads, WhatsApp, faster response you can get here, then analytics measurable for ROI. Now, with all these things, very important that we need to strategically place everything, position yourself, and when you do that, you will start make your website as the marketing tool. So marketing today is data driven, not guesswork. So now, if you are doing just a guesswork, you will only not clear about it. Positioning means, see, as I told you, there are many websites, they just take brochure, copy paste the content and then give it. Then again, there is no positioning. Positioning means you have to position your company in a right way, in the right client base. So that is important. And no Google visibility. So that is when very important nowadays, Google visibility. Now, we have to check for our major, see, there are many keywords which you can come into the first page, but what we have to check is, which is the major keyword we want our website to come. Just check, whoever has a website, type the keyword main services and check where the Google ranks. If it is in the first page, very good. If it is not there, then come to me. So, and another thing is people don't take testimonials. One of the most powerful thing nowadays is testimonials, which will increase credibility, trust, and your you will be credible when you see somebody talking about it. Now, there are three kind of testimonials. One is text-based, where you can take it in the Google review, where the map is there, you can take there. One. Second is audio testimonials. There are many people who are not comfortable in front of camera. you can take audio testimonials. And if somebody is really, the most powerful is video testimonials. So if you can ask your customer to give a video testimonial, it is very good. But we face this, whenever we ask testimonials, yes sir, we will give you. The moment we open the camera, sir, I cannot talk because camera is shy. Now, what to do? How to take your testimonials? So we have come out with the competitors. Then they validate your credibility. So these things, what they do at the back, before they call you or they will approach you. So your website is your digital first impression. Your presence is first impression when you talk, but in the digital world, website is your first digital impression. Now, why many business lose leads? Now, people come to your website and if they say that it is an outdated website. Now, what do you mean by outdated website? Now, when you create a website, if 100 people are there, all cannot come on the first page. So, as a company, we create a strategy in such a way that you come in the first page within 3 months to 6 months. There are many people who claims that I will get your website onto the first page in 1 week time. They are doing black hat marketing, where it is Google will actually ban their website in few days. So at least if somebody is saying that we will get your website in 1 week, have a red flag. Yeah, we're done. So that's what we are talking about here.